Oh.
Hello, hi, good afternoon mga minamahal kong manonood, to all my beloved viewers all over the world. Kumusta mga amigo, amiga? This is Nelson TV Official. I purchased from Best Buy another gadget for my vlogging. This is a laptop computer, alright? Dapat di ko man sinabi, no? Para surprise na. So now, we are doing unboxing, okay? Unboxing. Actually, guys, we are expecting this, from yesterday, but it just arrived today. So, this is what we got? Bubbles? What? Oh my, gulay. At here. So, right here, and this is the name. Yeah, we're doing, we be doing this because I heard from other people that we need to do it that way so that just in case there's something wrong, all right, we could able, send it back right away, or something missing. Which one is next? Right here. Oh, you're smart. It looks like you work in a packaging. Huh? You do, anak ko? Why you don't wanna be in camera? I already introduced you already there that, this gonna be my other angel. My angel. The youngest angel of Nelson TV. Nelson TV Official. The youngest one. Dandaran! You sure you know? This next, what is this though? Dandadan! Dandadan! Yeah? Okay, this one first. We're gonna open this one now. This is, guys, this is for vlogging and for editing. And I have to show this first to them so that one at a time, alright? Oh, it's already, So I got content now. This is HP. Guys, HP. HP. This is the logo of HP now. Before it's H-A-N-P. That's how it is. Right there. Okay, guys, right here. Let's see this. Whoo! Wow. Kind of beautiful, isn't it? See, it's gray color and titanium, right? It's a titanium HP. And then this another option on this one. You can flip it like this, like that. See, like that. See? That's this one I choose, right? Okay. It's a handy one. Handy. Although a little bit, bigger, but it's still handy though. Okay. I put this aside for a while. Right here. And here's the other gadget for that one. I drop it. Here. You see this? Connector. Plug, and here. Oh, they connect it like this, right there, Yeah, they connect it like this. Oh no, hold on. Yeah. All right, that's it, guys. So I think we got it covered, everything already. All right, so whatever. So this is all the contents of the box. Okay, 1, 2, plus the laptop, okay, two connector, whatever this is, right here, okay. This all the contents of this HP, okay. HP right here, HP, capital H, lower H right here. This all the the contents of the box. Okay, so that's it. We already bought a separate, mouse. It's already up there in my room. So, no worry about the, that is a separate, purchase. Separate price. Right. So now we have to charge it first for the whole day. For how long? 2 hours. Do I have to put some, like internet on this one or no? Do I have to purchase that? Not anymore, right? Okay, so it's, one of my editor, the chief editor is Crystal May Cabanag. Yeah, she's officially my chief editor now.
Buksan, sampol.
And the one who is filming me is Sui TV Vlog, one of my Nelson TV official. TV, Nelson TV Angels official. Alright guys, I think I did everything covered. And, oh, what is this?
Lagayan ng mouse.
What is this though? This one is the, I think is instruction software. This is software. Software for info, for those who are just new in computer, sa mga bago lang. Ito, naniniwala ko ang tawag dito sa mga ganito is software. This is the hardware. Hardware. No, hardware for the computer. Not the hardware that you bought some, right? Software, hardware. Okay. Because I studied a little bit computer. Just like, how to, processing it, how to start, blah, 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 something like that. Not that much, okay? That's why I am rookie up to now. But always remember, practice makes you perfect. Alright guys, that's all I could say. Bye-bye for now. See you next video. Don't forget to like and share this video, and also don't forget to subscribe, Nelson TV Official. God bless everyone. I love you all. Bye.